G'day YouTube, welcome back to another video on my channel, Bonsai David. So I've got another trident to be repotted this morning. So you've probably seen this tree before. I did a little styling video for autumn for this tree. Now it's winter and I've got to repot it. I think it's been in this pot for 2 years as well, so time to get it out. Have a look at the roots and see where it's at. So this is purely the repotting video. The pot's probably a little big for it, but I'm still growing the tree on, so I'd like to change it to a smaller pot eventually, but not today. I think we'll just keep it in this pot to progress it through. So as always, let's try and get this tree out of the pot and see what it looks like and see how much it's growing in terms of roots. So always take the wire off that's holding it in first. So just show you the roots coming out the base. So there's roots coming out of this base. That means it's chock-a-block again. So it's a bit wet today in Melbourne. It's raining, but it doesn't stop me repotting. I've got to get these trees done. So you would have seen another video of mine for my Cedar Elm that I repotted. It's the two trunk Cedar Elm that you saw. Now that tree, it's actually now mid-July here. So it's really in the heart of winter. That tree, the buds are just starting to come up, swell. So you can see how early in Melbourne sometimes trees can come up. So that's why I try and get my repotting done for my deciduous all throughout July and be finished by end of July. This tree, no surprise, typical trident maple, chock-a-block. Not much left in there, and spaghetti again, so nice and full. Get that out. So you would have seen me do this before. I keep cleaning it all up. Let me just go through this quickly and we'll see what I can do. I might do a little time-lapse video so you guys can just see me in action and sped up, so you see how quick we can do these things. Alright, I'll be back soon. Okay, so I'm back. Hope you saw that time lapse quite quickly. So I just want to show you quickly, I've washed the soil, washed most of the fines out of the soil, so you can see lovely. Now if you can see there's a hollow in there pretty much, so that tree's been treated really well over time and getting the root base right back. I'm just going to come through and trim off the loose ends, slightly reduce the heavy roots. You don't need the heavy roots, you need the fine roots, especially at the bottom. So it's always good to grow quality stock, or if you know someone's growing quality stock, it's worth spending a few extra dollars to get that quality stock. You can see this tree from lots of different angles looks quite nice. Well, the base does anyway. So you've got a really big base there, but a lot of wounds in there, so it's sparse. I think this is still my favourite base in the tree. So there we go. Pot's already wired and soil included already. Got the 2 wires to tie it in. As always, I mound it up in the middle. So the reason I do that is so I can work the tree in. But as this is such a big tree, it's quite a big pot, so it's really kind of a growing on pot. So even though it's a nice cream colour, maybe next time I repot this tree, probably in 2 years' time, it'll go in its final pot or close to. So let's work this in. I do notice some weeds that I like to get rid of, the seeds if you see them, because I found the bloody seeds there, annoying. So let's get rid of them. So once they intertwine in the roots, it's hard to get them out. When you get to repot them, you can see them better. There you go. Okay, so twist in, work your way in. That's pretty much set. Doesn't need a huge amount of tweaking this tree. Now sometimes when you've got lots of big roots like this, you can go in between and underneath and so on, so bear that in mind. It's like I will see if I can get through, but I can't in this case. But sometimes you have trees where you can go underneath and in between, so that's probably an ideal option if you can go in between the roots at the back rather than on the top. Although this is aluminium, it doesn't really damage the tree too much. So it's finally stopped raining, so that's good. Let's get some more repotting done. Okay, that's tied in. So that tree's not going to move anywhere anytime soon. Ugh, I did a little bit. Let's make sure that's oh, it wasn't tight enough. Always make sure it's tight enough, good lesson there. So sometimes you can just try and pick your tree up and see if it's strong enough and holding it strong enough. So that's better. Much better. Okay. Now it's a matter of filling it up, working your chopsticks in. Use your chopstick to work it in. Quickly show you. Sometimes you can use your fingers. Use your fingers as chopsticks as well. Work it in and press it in. That's another way to do it. You don't want to use chopsticks. Tap the pot. Works the soil into those roots, into those gaps. And then you go with the chopstick, working into those gaps. I like to work it in and press, all the way. It's pretty good today. Tap, 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 tap. So there you go, pretty much done. There's another repotting done. That wasn't too long, 10 to 15 minutes, if that, and you can repot your tree and have it all ready to go. Repotting is very important to keep the tree healthy and you can see when the tree fills up the roots, I mean the part with roots, so that's how much I took off that one. Quite a bit. Goes in the compost. Let it rot away. Yeah. There's another tree done, guys. I'm just going to water this in and put it back on the benches, and it's done for a couple of years, and then just work on the ramification of the branches. Sometimes you bend them up when you're repotting, but there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. As always, please subscribe if you had a minute, so you can get notifications of new videos when I put them up. Thanks guys, bye.